Good morning everyone. Ito na naman si Robert Loy from the Lensmakers Optical being with you this morning. Naimbag nga bigat yu amin apo. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So today is Friday here in Hamilton, Canada. It's a very lovely morning. It's sunny. So today is Friday. It's my farm day today. I'm going to the farm again to continue my grass cutting and some maintenance there. I brought with me a lot of paper files from our office. As you can see at the back of my car here, there's a lot of boxes there. It's an old files. I bring it with me because I have to burn them there instead of me renting a shredder company to shred it. At least it saves me a little bit of money. Okay, let's go to the farm. As usual, we have to get coffee.
Tim Hortons, can I help you?
Hi, good morning. May I have a medium decaf 2 milk, please?
A medium decaf,
With 2 milk.
2 milk.
Yes.
Anything else today?
That's all. Thank you. Morning.
Hello, it's 192.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Good day.
You too. There you go. Cup of coffee. Let's go. Welcome to the farm. Oh, there's the geese. Okay, so this is how it looks like when the grass is not cut yet. These are 2 weeks old grass because I just came here 2 weeks ago to cut this grass and now they are grown up again. So this is the front yard of our property. And let's see the back. These two machines here are gonna be working hard again today. So this is the back. I think the geese, they are in the pond. I don't know if you can see those geese there. So basically this is our property here. Okay guys, I just put up my work clothes. I'm ready to go. It's a lot of work to be done here. Okay guys, something happened to my lawnmower. The belt of this one was broken. Okay, so it's coming from here. All this pulley here, this was broken. See if I'm glad I have spare parts. See this one here, I have a brand new spare. I'm glad I can change it. Okay, so let's change the belt. This is broken. Okay guys, I have to put this belt in here. It's a little bit tricky, and it's a new one, so hopefully I can put it in. Yeah, go in. It's a little bit tricky. There you go. Done. Okay guys, so it's a brand new belt, so we put a what do you call this, dressing belt. Put a dressing belt, spray over here. That's the belt, so that it won't be slippery. Okay, on the other side, yeah, and just wait for 5 minutes and then we can use it again. Okay guys, so these are the old paper files that I would like to burn today, this afternoon. I will be burning them in this pit. Usually I use this one to burn waste. Okay, so let's start burning. Alright, so these are the old paper files that I would like to burn today. And they came from these boxes. I'm gonna bring these boxes to the clinic because we're gonna need them. Alright, there you go. The fire is on. Hopefully it burned properly. Yeah, I finished the mowing too. See? Alright, let's go fishing. Let's see if we can caught the fish today. Hey, I got one. Hey, see? Oh, largemouth bass. That's okay, I have to return you back. It's a big one. I have to return. Oops. I have to return you back. See, guys? I have to return it back. Go back, go back. Let's try one more time. Oh, I got it. I got one. I got one. There you go. Another one. Largemouth. Oh my goodness. Another one. All right. They're biting. They're biting. Okay, I have to put you back. I have to put you back. Remove this one. Hey, put you back. See, another one. Okay, go back. Go back. Oh, I got another one. Hey, another one, another one. Another one. Hey, oh, they're biting. They're hungry. The largemouth bass are hungry. They're biting. This is the third one. Okay, see? Third one. Very nice. Hey, we have to put you back. I don't bring them home, eh? I put them back. Okay, so I have to go back. Oh. Yeah, go back, go back, go back. Go back. Okay, good enough. At least he caught 3. Okay guys, so that's it for this afternoon. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please click like and share and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you and you have a good afternoon. Maraming salamat po. Nagyaman nakti ado kada kayo amin. Okay? Bye-bye.